Nakauwi na kami guys dito sa bahay. Tingnan natin guys kung ano na nangyari sa sibuyas na tinanim ko guys. So ayan na siya guys. O diba? O lumaki na yung sibuyas ko. Mayroon lang dahon. Ang tatlo guys ay wala pang dahon. O. Tapos may tinanim ako ditong tawag dito na ginger luya ba doon din. Ewan ko lang kung tutubulin kasi masyado na silang masikip na sila doon. Yung sibuyas tsaka no ginger. Maaga kami guys nakauwi. Uwi dahil si Sawyer ay mayroon siyang diarrhea tsaka nagsumuka siya. Doon pa lang guys sa buffet guys ay grabe yung suka niya guys doon. So kailangan na naming guys umuwi ng maaga dahil hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ni Sawyer. So ngayon guys ay gagawa ako ng pasok. Ayun, ayaw pang masok. Gagawa ako ng sinigang kasi nire-request din nila Sam at saka ng asawa ko guys. Kasi yung asawa ko guys ay masama din ang pakiramdam niya. Meron siyang stomach virus din. Nahawa siguro siya kay Sawyer. So hindi pa maayos I'll put it in there in the cabin. Nahawa siguro ang asawa ko kay kay Sawyer. Kasi hanggang ngayon ay si Sawyer ay hindi pa magaling sa kanyang diarrhea. Pero hindi na siya sumusuka guys, diarrhea na lang. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa kanya. So pinapakain ko siya ng saging. Ha? You wanna go outside? Sao na lang ni. Okay, go close it. Close it. Sus ko. Makipag-away pa talaga. So magluto muna ako guys ng ng sinigang na baboy. So ayan guys, ang aming ulam, sinigang. You're not hungry? Huh? Don't eat if you're not hungry. Tapos na si Sawyer kumain. Ayan guys, kakain kami. Sinigang ang aming ulam. Sarap ng taba guys.
Were you scared about that bunny?
Diba? Sarap. Wala kasi kaming kangkong, kaya ang gamit ko ay tawag dito? Mustard greens. American mustard guys. Masarap siya. Yeah!
Mommy, this is so good.
I know, right?
It's like sour and
Kang-kang-kang.
this is syrup.
Ang sarap.
What the heck was that? Is that a duck?
What's the duck say? What's the duck say?
Yes.
Because of rice?
Yeah.
That's all I can do. That's all I can do. I can only do this.
What's the duck say? What's the duck say?
Taba guys.
What's the duck say?
Taba ng baboy. Ginamit ko dito guys ay pork roasted bat ata.
Yeah. What's the duck say?
Tingnan nila. Ito si Samantha
Mommy, can I do a second help for you? Like put all these in here?
yeah, ayan yung chores niya. Nag-unload. Ilalagay niya yung mga dirty plates diyan sa sa dishwasher. Masipag sila ngayon guys dahil ni-request nila yung tanggolo tapos hindi ko alam pero nag-search ako guys. Asukal lang pala yun tapos malamig na tubig. So, kailangan kong gumawa. Meron akong strawberry dito at saka mayroon ding grapes. Magsubok tayo guys kung paano gumawa ng tanggolo. Ayan siya guys, yung tinunaw na sugar. Kailangan na maging sticky siya. Maging ready na siya. Yan. Si Samantha naman ay naghugas ng strawberry. Ayan. Talagang masipag sila guys dahil ito yung gusto nilang gawin. Ang sipag nilang guys din utusan kasi nga may request sila. So, para gawin ko yung request nila, kailangan gawin din nila yung request ko. Kaya yan ang ginawa nila. So, ayan Ang tagal pala nito guys. Kailangan pang tunawin yung sugar. So, mamaya guys, pakita ko sa inyo kung talagang hindi palpak yung ginawa ko. So, ayan guys. Tunuhog na namin yung... No, touch the one kasi it's hot. No.
It's hot. It's hot.
That
is hot. It will burn
namin guys.
No.
Because you did not... So, ayan guys. Tinuhog ko na ang grapes. Tingnan natin kung hindi palpak yung ating tanggolo. So, ano siya? Kailangan pala siyang Kailangan pala siyang, malpak na naman. Kailangan siyang mag-caramelize. Hindi siya pwedeng,
Mom, did you do it wrong?
I was wrong. Kailangan pala maging siya, caramelize.
Come on, we don't get to it.
Mali ako guys.
No.
Kailangan siya, hindi pala dapat siya.
No, not yet. You can have this.
Kami kasing niluluto Hindi pala siya dapat hindi siya pala dapat palamigin. Kailangan mainit pala siya. Ayan na, nag-asukal na siya. Ayan. Kasi bumabalik yung asukal niya. Kailangan pala siya mainit tapos ilagay sa malamig na tubig, yung sobrang lamig na tubig. Palpak na naman ako guys.
Are you supposed to mix it?
Yeah, I have to do it like this so that it mix.
Let's go back.
So ito guys, na-ready namin ang aming strawberry at saka grapes. This is it guys. Subukan na namin kasi kanina ay palpak. Ngayon naman ay subukan natin kung hindi pa palpak ang ating ginawa.
We've been waiting for this moment for so long.
Ito siya guys.
And a moment of truth. Justin, you can see it close enough. Oh, Mommy, I hope you cooked it right.
I know, sana hindi siya palpak.
It's hard to cook.
Let's see.
Ooh, I think you cooked it right.
Can you get more water, ice water shots?
Oh, yeah. How do I get ice water?
Over there
I
in
think
the
it's
fridge.
working.
Huh?
I think it's working.
It's working.
It looks like it
Kasi
is.
kanina guys, palpak. Kasi nga, dapat pala mainit siya. Tapos, hindi mainit. Tapos, bumalik siya, hindi siya nag-caramelize. So, bumalik siya, naging sugar. Faster.
Is that enough?
Okay, let's put it back. Let's put more kasi hindi masyadong
Makes it work more. That's mine. I'm going for
So,
that.
pala, mainit. So, nagkapalpak-palpak kanina, guys. So, ngayon, parang na-perfect na siguro siya. Tingnan natin, guys. Kung na-perfect na.
I call going first.
We're so excited, guys, na matry.
Yeah.
Ito. It's
I'm going for the.
let's see. Here. See, you want to do that? Okay. So you're in the
It worked too.
All right, can we get it?
see. Okay, go. Okay. No?
It's not done yet.
Not done yet?
No.
Kailangan
not
pa
done
natin,
yet.
ano. Oh, hindi daw.
You should put
crunchy.
more ice in it.
Okay, come on. Umiyak si Soy. Umiyak si Soy kasi gusto din niya.
You should add more ice than water.
Grabe. Ice, guys, para lang malamig siya.
Does this thing even work? If you like put it in
I
ice.
wish. It's my first time because you guys wanted me
Yeah,
to
there's
do
on
this.
there's on YouTube too. It's a good snack, and I hope it tastes good. It's good.
Yeah. Make more. Come. Don't take him out.
I think it needs to sat a little bit more.
Yeah. Wala ko ulit, guys.
Yeah, just like leave it in there. I'm gonna leave my strawberry because strawberries right here. I'm doing one and see if it like
That's what I'm gonna take.
So we're going to try. Guys, kung hindi ba palpak, okay ba? Let's see. Nag-ice naman siya.
Let's go.
No. Palpak.
It needs to freeze for very long, like in the
Yeah.
freezer.
Pero okay lang, guys. First lang namin kung naka-try. It's still good, I guess. Even if it's not hard, but we wish that it's hard, but it's not. Yan nga, guys, napalpak ang aming tanggulo. Kasunod na lang, gawa ulit. Nalungkot ang dalawa kasi nga palpak.